So we now get to the last step, at least I think it's the last step. This is an example of my sheet which has been set up with about half the articles that I added for my literature review. I've got a few more to go, but I thought I'd just stop here and show the way it worked. You can see that I'm using a consistent origin. I've got the author, title, the year, so I can do a sort on the year. I've got a variety of different papers, and the keywords are beginning to show themselves. As well as that, I'm beginning to add narrative coding. So you may say to yourself, well, how can I sort on, let's say, year? That should be an easy thing to do. Whenever you select a table or a range, you can sort within that range, and all the records will be sorted. So let's do a sort on, for example, the year. So let's do a sort on year, and I want to sort from the smallest to the largest. All right, so there we've got it. We've got the ability to sort. You can see here that I go back as far as 2000. But a lot of my research is quite new, 2012 and 2011. I may decide to go back a little bit further here, but I'm happy with the way that works. So you can see that a simple sort by year helps you identify if there's any gaps in your research. At least that's what I'm thinking right now. Let's imagine I wanted to do a search on types of paper, or even, hey, let's do keywords. Okay, so I go to data, and we're going to sort by keyword 1, alpha, A to Z. But hold a second, there's more than one keyword. There's 3 keywords, so we can add another sort and do another sort on keywords, and even a third sort. So now we have a sort by 3 keywords, and the way I think this is going to be useful is when I wanted to find an article which has one and or another keyword, I can find it easily. So there we go. That's another sort. So you can see now I've got keywords of digital literacy, information literacy, and the second keywords are also sorted alphabetically as well. So that's great, but it doesn't help you very much for quick sorting. So here's what we're going to do next. We're going to set up a table, and that will be the last step. This particular example shows you how to do a simple sort, and you can of course remove these sorts as well, and but you can see that it's a little bit of an issue trying to sort here and then undo the sort. So I'm going to show you a quick way in order to change all this and make sorting and filtering a lot easier. And that's the next step.